A traceable fixed cost of a segment is incurred because of the existence of the segment. If the segment had never existed, the fixed cost would not have been incurred. If the segment were eliminated, the fixed cost would disappear. For example, Maxtel Corporation has various divisions, and the phone division is one of them. The salary of the phone division's manager is a traceable fixed cost. Now, if the phone division does not exist, then there would be no phone division manager, and consequently, no manager's salary. On the other hand, a common fixed cost is a fixed cost that supports the operations of the company. It is not traceable to any one segment. Even if a segment were entirely eliminated, there would be no change in a true common fixed cost. An example of a common fixed cost is the salary of a CEO. In our example, even if the phone division at Maxtel was eliminated, the CEO's salary would still continue to be incurred. Note that the distinction between traceable and common fixed costs is crucial in segment reporting. This is because traceable fixed costs should be charged to segments, whereas common fixed costs should not. Now, a traceable fixed cost of one segment might be a common fixed cost of another segment. For example, consider the landing fee for an airline at an airport. This is a traceable fixed cost of the flight, but is a common cost among first class, business class, and economy class segments. Let's now discuss the concept of segment margin. To understand this, let's first look at a segmented income statement prepared in the contribution margin format. In preparing a segmented income statement, the variable expenses are deducted from sales to yield the contribution margin for each segment. The segment margin is obtained by deducting the traceable fixed costs of a segment from the segment's contribution margin. It represents the margin available after a segment has covered all of its own costs. The segment margin is the best gauge of the long-run profitability of a segment because it includes only those costs that are caused by the segment. If a segment can't cover its own costs, then that segment probably should be dropped. US GAAP and IFRS require that publicly traded companies include segmented financial and other data in their annual reports.